How would you love to live life feeling excited, not feeling stuck, feeling purposeful, getting excited about your future, and feeling good every day? It is possible. I'm Landria Onka, and I'm here to show you, like I've shown thousands of other people, how to live an amazing life. Now, it's just natural for humans to limit themselves and live in fear, but there is a way to break through all of that. And I have spent the last 5 years teaching people how to live amazing lives and giving them the tools to manifest that life. Now, I've lived an amazing life and I continue to, but I too go through the same challenges all humans do. The difference is I have learned how to break through those limitations and I don't allow fear to stop me. I quit a 25-year investment banking career to go after my dreams of being a writer. I gave up my company. I learned how to use the internet to create online businesses because I knew that was the ticket to freedom and the kind of income that I desired. And I created that life of freedom. I wrote a best-selling, award-winning book. It's now a television movie. I've written several more. I write for a living, I create e-courses, and I'm a YouTube influencer helping other people to go after their dreams. Now, something that I promote and I'm going to offer you here is a free workshop series. It's somewhere here on the screen or below you can click to find out how I created that new life of income and freedom. Because let's face it, if you go after your dreams, most of what we do every day includes what we do for a living and what we earn, how much we earn, and how we earn it. And that's where people struggle. We go to college and we don't even use what we've learned in college, and we go into jobs that we don't love and we find ourselves stuck and not knowing how to get out. I was in your shoes. I made the transition when I saw that online training, an online education could show me how to create an online business even if I had no tech experience whatsoever, no products or services. I knew that was my ticket out. I was an investment banker. I saw where the future was going, and online education is where it's at. You can learn the kind of skills that'll create an online business that was not possible before. You used to have millions of dollars and a staff and whole management team. You don't have to do that now. People like you and I can create online businesses, work out of our homes, and that freedom that we all desire. If you click somewhere here on the screen, you can get a free workshop series from my mentors who show you how this works. I took this education, I took advantage of it, and I learned step by step how does an online business work. And I got the training, and the entire platform helped me set that up. And then I got all of the support, the trainers, the tech teams, everybody there, and an amazing community to support me to launch that business. Now I have several. It's allowed me to live this life that I desire. But the best part is I'm offering people things of value that I believe in, not living a life that just didn't feel right. You can probably relate to this. It's a new era, and it's time for you to get new skills that are relevant. Don't wait till you get a pink slip or you get a heart attack from stress. Click somewhere here on the screen and come join us in this big movement to go online to create that freedom. It's up to you to make the change, but you have the tools available right now. Click somewhere here on the screen and come join me. You may have seen me on CEO Money. You may have seen me on my YouTube channel, all of the things online. It's all because I learned this training system. Click somewhere here for your free workshop series. I'll be there to greet you, and I actually help mentor the students that come over because I want to see you succeed. If you don't like what you see, you unsubscribe. It's free. Give it a shot and make up your own mind if this is for you. Thanks for listening.